There's two distinct categories that the things you make fit into. One is easy to understand. The process is pretty well laid out. You know what it is and why it needs to exist in this world. Your tables and cabinets and spoons. Then there's the other stuff. These products have no champions, experts, or mentors to turn to, and no guidebook for general form or function. The things that either 49 or 51% of viewers will say, but why? Your mind jumps to art filling up this group, but that's not it. People generally understand why we have art, whether it's to look cool on the wall or maybe evoke an emotion or whatever. No, I'd say this category is more for the peculiar, abstract, or obscure, the WTF stuff. These projects start off as a nugget of left field inspiration and require you to go 3 levels deep down the creativity rabbit hole before they can even become a plan. Like my full shop-sized Rube Goldberg machine, there's nothing really to model off of. Each engineering problem to solve is totally unique. And I love it. You have the tools, the materials, but the rest all hinges on your ability to make an airy thought into something that occupies physical space. Tear up your plans, unplug the Wi-Fi, maybe eat some shrooms. Kidding. And explore the more buried parts of your project concocting gray matter, because I know there's some cool stuff hiding in there. So yes, build tables. We need to not set down on the floor. Yes, build cabinets. We need to not set down on those tables. And of course, build chairs. We need to not set ourselves down on tables or cabinets. But also, every now and again, build a mini lift for a power wheel from an upside down sit-stand desk. For no reason at all, except that you can, and you don't mind being asked, but why? Thanks for watching.